A very good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. Welcome to activity class. Today in this activity class we are going to do artwork. Take out your art and craft book. Open page number 18. Write down today's date and CW. Okay. Now what you have to do? Look, what is given? Varley art. What is this? This is called Varley art. Okay. First of all, you have to draw this Varley art with the help of pencil. Then by using sketch pen, you can fill the colors. Okay. We are taking black and brown sketch pen. Okay. So, let's start with our work. Look how you have to draw. First of all, here you have to draw one woman. Draw a line like this. Okay. Then from here again. Okay. Then understood? From here do like this, hands, and one hand goes down. Now neck and head. First of all, make a bun like this and then make a head. Done? Here, leg like this. Okay. Now we are going to make this man. Okay, beta. What you have to do? First of all, draw a line like this. Then from here, like this. Okay. From here, draw a line like this and joint it. Now make circle for making head like this. Okay. Now make hand. Okay. Legs. Done. Now here again triangle, legs, hands, and head. Done. Now look, this girl is holding an object. So draw like this. Okay. Now a wire like this. Done. Similarly, This man also we will draw. First of all, like this. Done. Okay, beta. Now here, legs, neck and head, like this. Done. Now hands up like this, holding another object. Done. Same way you have to draw this Wali art. Look, we have drawn with pencil. Now take brown sketch pen and start coloring this portion of body and head. Okay. First of all, draw the outline. Done. Now with black sketch pen you have to outline hands, leg and neck like this. Okay. Like this. Then now what you have to do with the help of eraser, erase the pencils. ओके, जो भी आपको पेंसिल पोर्शन दिख रहा है आप उसको इरेज कर दीजिए, जिससे आपका वर्क बहुत नीट एंड क्लीन होगा. Look, now it's looking neat and clean. Okay. Now with brown sketch pen we will color it. First of all start from here. बेटा आपने जहाँ पे ब्राउन स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन किया था आपको वहीं पर कलर फिल करना है. ओके. Done. Done. Now start coloring over here. Done. 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 Similarly, you have to color this woman also. Then look, our Varli art is ready. Okay, same way you have to draw this Varli art in your notebook as a homework. Okay, like this. Like this. First of all, draw the margin. Okay, and then put here today's date, homework. Then you have to draw Varli art same as drawn in your book. Okay, then you have to color it also. Okay, this is for homework. Thank you.